Did you ever imagine that with just one simple method, you could unlock the power to create multiple channels with minimal effort? It's like hitting the jackpot, isn't it? Stay tuned till the very end of this video where we'll walk through the step-by-step process together. Trust me, you won't want to miss out on this. Hey, savvy earners! Ever wondered what it takes to hit the big leagues on YouTube without ever showing your face? Well, get ready to dive into the intriguing world of faceless YouTube channels where anonymity is the name of the game and success knows no face. Faceless creators of scary story niche are captivating audiences worldwide, leaving them hungry for more, all while keeping their identities under wraps and raking in thousands of dollars monthly. But what's the secret sauce that makes them so irresistible? And how can you use their tricks to carve out your own spot in the YouTube limelight? Today, we're not just exploring the how-tos of faceless content creation, we're uncovering the heart and soul behind it. Whether you are a seasoned storyteller or a fresh-faced newbie, this video is your backstage pass to unlocking the secrets into the scary story niche and how they are shaking up the online world, raking in hundreds of dollars daily. With YouTube's recent crackdown on AI-created content, I'm sure you have questions about whether video created with the aid of AI voiceovers or AI video are monetizable in 2024. Well, yes, AI voice can be monetized on YouTube 2024. Using AI voice tools, you can save your energy to do voiceovers. And the only thing that deals with YouTube monetization policy is content quality. Frankly speaking, you can feel free to post AI voice videos and AI videos as long as it is of high quality mixed with unique content.
Before we dive in, I'm Oma, your trusty guide on this epic adventure. Want to join me for more exciting escapades like this? Don't forget to smash that subscribe button below and turn on notifications so you never miss out on the latest money-making strategies. Sounds good? Yeah.
Now let me introduce you to my fave. This spine-tingling channel specializes in narrating chilling horror stories with spine-tingling sound effects and immersive storytelling. Despite never revealing the narrator's face, these channels have amassed a loyal following of horror enthusiasts who eagerly await each new upload. Impressive, right? But what's even more jaw-dropping is the earning potential. According to Social Blade, these channels are raking in substantial earnings, and we're talking serious numbers here. See, according to Social Blades, Whispered Diaries is raking in between $258 to $4,100 monthly. The maximum of their yearly earning is around $49,000. The same thing goes for Let's Read channel. Their monthly earnings is estimated between $1,200 and $19,500. The maximum of their yearly earnings is estimated around $234,000. So, this video is to unveil an exclusive tutorial which is absolutely free of charge, by the way, where we'll spill the beans on the secrets behind this channel's success, creating your very own viral faceless channel, and even go the extra mile to stand apart and creating your own unique brand. So let's get started. So the first step is to sign into InVideo AI. InVideo AI is an AI tool that helps to turn any idea or content into video instantly. So basically, it renders text to video services in minutes, which is the part that we are exploring today. So you log into your InVideo account, and if you don't have an account, you create one. So for me, I'll log into my InVideo account. I'll sign in with my email, and we will be presented with the home page. So on the home page, you have various options. You could either just, go straight ahead to type in your instructions and generate a video, or at the bottom of the page, you have the option of workflow that has several options attached to it. So you just click on YouTube Explainer. Now, after clicking on YouTube Explainer, the first thing to do is to select how long you want your video to be. You have a variety of options. Now, if you go back and check some of this scary story YouTube niche, you'll see that most of their videos are between 8 minutes long to 20 minutes long. Well, except if you're exploring creating a collection, then you can make it longer. But if it's not a collection, then you could just, make it 10 minutes. But for the purpose of this tutorial, we'll just do 2 minutes. So after that, then you put in your prompt. That's an instruction on what you want the AI to execute for you. The prompt I put in is to create a scary story called 3 True Scary Fire Lookout Stories. The overall vibe of the video should be dark and mysterious. And then for additional details, maybe your tone or humor or whatever. So for additional details, I put in the tone of the video should be relevant to Scary Stories channel. For background music, you have various options. I just put in dark since it's a scary story niche. And then on the settings, so I selected a male voice and a clear American voice. By the way, for this option, you can also use your voice. The AI tool can help you clone your voice if you'd like. So for me, I'm just using a clear American voice. I click on continue. Give it a few minutes. It's going to generate. So in the process of generation, it's going to come up with further instructions for me. There's audience, horror fans, story lovers, thrill seeker, the look and feel, dark, mysterious, dramatic, and the platform YouTube. Well, for me, I'm just going to go with the pre-selected options, but you can explore. It's your choice. You can explore. Then you click continue. You wait a few minutes for the video to generate, and this is the end result. Let's watch.
Have you ever stood alone in the vast silence of a forest, feeling the unseen eyes watching you? Deep in the heart of the wilderness stands a solitary fire lookout tower. Here Mark, a seasoned fire lookout, spends his nights keeping watch over the endless sea of trees. On his first night shift, the still air carries faint, eerie whispers. At first, Mark shrugs it off as the wind playing tricks.
Alright, so if you have further instructions like further editing that you'd like to do to the video, you can. There's a box directly under the generated video. You click on it. There are already preset options there, but you could just also type in. So for me, for instance, I want to add subtitle to my video, so I just type in add subtitle and I click generate and just wait a few seconds, and here's the end result. Then you click play. Let's click play. Alright, so you see I have my subtitles up. Now, here comes the secret tip that I have for you guys. So having one faceless channel is good, but having multiple channels in the same niche is even better. And by that I mean using this AI tool to have the same video but in multiple languages, thereby giving you the opportunity to create multiple channels under the same niche, carrying the same videos. So that means you could have a video in English, you could have it in German, you could have it in French, you could have it in Spanish, all the same video, but you will be able to reach a wider range of audience. So in the same box where we've been editing, so you just type in translate to French and you click generate. You wait a few seconds for it to generate and voila, here is a sample. Here's what it looks like after generating. So after that also you could decide to translate to German if you wish. So you type translate to German, you wait a few seconds. Voila, here is exactly what it looks like.
Waren sie Jamals allen in der immensen Stille eines waldender wilden Naturestate ein einsamer Walkturm, hier Verbrinkmark, ein erfahrener Walkter, sein Nachte damit, die Weite der Baume zu überwachen, waren seiner ersten Nachtwache Track, die reglos Luftleise und beunruhigende Flüstern, anfangs schrieb dies dem Wind zu, der sein Streicher spielt.
With this tip, you can have multiple channels carrying the same videos but in different languages, which is permissible by YouTube. So, when you're done creating your videos, you click export. For me, I'm currently using the free account, but if you would like to export without watermarks, then you just have to upgrade and use the paid account. Now, under that category, you have the plus account, which is $20 per month, and you have the max account, which is $48 per month.
So, why wait? Start your journey to financial freedom today. With the power of these tools at your fingertips, the sky is the limit. Let's make those dreams a reality. Now, are you ready to take the plunge? Hit that subscribe button below and join me on this exhilarating adventure. Together, we'll turn clicks into cash and unlock the door to a brighter future. Let's do this!